Jaipur for the first roundtable on Alliance for Happiness in Academics. We have the pleasure of being joined by Mr. Karan Bail. He is the founder of Haptitude. A very warm welcome to you, sir. So, sir, can you share, can you tell us about Haptitude and the inspiration behind establishing it?
Okay. So we are a well-being company. We have 4 different verticals at Happiitude. We have one Happiitude Wellbeing Academy, where we offer courses on happiness and mindfulness, workplace happiness, meditations. I mean, these are the different courses that we offer in the academy. That's we have audience from like 50 plus countries. Most of them are certification courses, which are like train the trainer. So our people, whoever wants to get into the space of well-being, want to learn about happiness and mindfulness, they come and learn from us, and then they go and teach to the world. This is one of our vertical. Then we also have a vertical which is more on the lines of spirituality, Indian spirituality, which we are kind of trying to revive. So we do retreats in India and foreign countries about Indian spirituality, teaching them some practices around meditations, and that's the second vertical that we have. Third vertical we have is Haptitude Digital, where the people who get trained from us, we help them through our digital services. And then fourth, we have recently started, and that vertical is it's all for about experiences, spiritual experiences for people. It's called Mystic Walks, wherein people who want to come to India and have this spiritual experiences and want to go deeper into happiness and these things for Indian way, they can learn these things from us.